Watch the CY38.
Detail World YouTube, what it do, man. We done made it to our first appointment out here in Green Hills, Burton Hills, Tennessee. Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got this Jaguar done, man. It took us about an hour and 40 minutes. We actually threw a coat of wax on it because it definitely had a haze on it, but we actually got the glow back to the paint. Took us a little time to do it, man, especially being a black car and the sun shining. So, you know, that hard. But if you see it, definitely got the diamonds back in the paint. Got the paint looking immaculate. Got the wheels back looking good. Also with the interior, make sure that we gave it a good cleaning, which I showed y'all already. So we're finna go ahead and let her know we done real quick. Go ahead and get paid, call it a day. Head to the next stop, which is about 5 minutes from here, but I'm stopped to grab lunch. But y'all already know, man, take pride in whatever you got going on in life, man. Don't let nobody discourage you for whatever you're trying to achieve, man, because sometimes people do that when they don't have nothing going on. So on that note, man, continue to be great. Remember, this is Jaguar S-Type, and I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Detail World YouTube, what it do, man. We done made it to the second appointment right now. About to work on this BMW X5. We already got the interior of the car done, man. Like I say, we still trying to beat this rain if it come. So I'm kind of, you know, pressed. If you look, it's cloudy. It was a little clearer earlier, and we also still supposed to get that eclipse today. But if you see the interior of the car, we got the car looking good. Got it nice and wiped down, entertainment system, things of that nature. So we about to go ahead and work on this exterior. Get these wheels nice and clean. If you see them, they're pretty dirty. So we're gonna make sure that we get it nice and clean, get the road grime off the car, clean the exterior, interior windows, dry it off, park it. Well, I'm gonna leave it right here because that's what it was when I got here. But still got 2 more appointments to do, 3 more cars. But let me go ahead and get to my job, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right, YouTube, man. We finally got this car done, man. Like I said, it took us a little bit of time. I probably think it's about an hour and about 20 minutes to get it cracking with y'all. I remember what those wheels look like. Wheels was heavily dirty. Definitely had a nice coat of dirt on there. The interior of the car came out well. We already waxed it. Already vacuumed it. Did the interior windows, exterior window. Only thing we need to do is just wipe off the remainder water that's on the car. And then, you know, this tree dropping all this pollen and stuff on the tree. On the car, so that kind of sucks. But I'm gonna go ahead and let her know we done. Head to my next stop. I just texted, told them on my way. So hope she ready for me. But like always, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, and I'm gonna catch you at the next one, man. Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button, man. Detail World. I still got Trees on the phone. Damn, my bad. Hold on, give me a minute. Detail World, what it do, man. We done made it to this third appointment of the day, which we're doing is Jeep Rubicon Edition, man. If you look at the car, it's dirty. If you look at it, it definitely got a lot of pollen and things like this stuck on the paint. This stuff is actually like stuck on the paint. If you look, it's just not, you know, so we got to give it a good washing. Right now we're working on the interior. If you look at the whole car, definitely covered in this stuff everywhere. You see the wheels definitely dirty. So we definitely finna get in here. Well, we working in here now. If you look at the interior of the car, man, definitely dirty. Definitely got your typical debris, sticks, twigs, a little bit of dog hair, a little bit of grass, things like that. We're gonna get in here and clean these seats. We already cleaned the passenger side of the car, so the passenger side of the car looks immaculate already. We're just gonna work on this driver side of the car. If you look, you see sticks, twigs, debris. But if you look on that side, it's definitely clean. Same as the seats clean, things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Continue to get the day. We still got 2 more customers to do, new customers. She just basically called me, asking was it still coming. I told her I'll be running a little bit late because of this car, because it's a little dirty than what I expected. But y'all already know, man, hit that subscribe button. Take pride in whatever you got going on. Remember, dedication is everything, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, Detail World YouTube. We done made it to this third appointment right here. We're working on this Tesla Y right now. We're working on the interior of the car. It's a little dirty in here. We already got the driver side of the car done, so right now we're working on the passenger side of the car. And if you look, man, they definitely got dirt here and there. Definitely everywhere you look. So we definitely gonna finish getting in here, clean these seats thoroughly, wipe them down. You see all the dirt inside of there, stuff like that. But we're gonna clean the doors thoroughly, clean these door jambs. See the door jambs pretty dirty, but the same thing up front. Definitely get up here and clean it, vacuum it up, wipe it down real good. Like I say, we still got one more to do here, which is her husband's car. So we're gonna go ahead and finish knocking this out, man. And after that, I'll get back with y'all in a minute, man. Show y'all the results. Peace. All right, Detail World, excuse me. I forgot to record the car before I finish it because I was trying to hurry up and get to this car before it started raining. But we got the whole car completely done in and out. You remember the exterior of the car definitely was dirty. The interior, I think I showed y'all what the interior looked like. I'll give y'all a quick glimpse of where it's locked. Well, it was clean. But like I said, we got this Tesla wide knocked out, man. We're finna definitely head to the Detail World, what it do. We done made it to this last car, which we at the same stop we just did that Tesla. Right now, we already did the interior of the car, so we're about to work on the exterior real quick. It's starting to get windy. It's supposed to rain, supposedly. I'm not 100% sure. But we got the interior completely done and wiped down the seats completely. Actually did the carpet, cleaned the doors thoroughly, things like, this is a new customer, so hopefully he be enthused with the work. We didn't wipe down the monitor yet because we're gonna wipe it down with straight water, but the rest of the interior of the car came out well. Let me go ahead and work on the exterior real quick, man. Let me go ahead and get it done. You see the clouds, man, but I'll catch up with y'all in a minute, man. Peace. All right, Detail World. We done got this last car done of the day, man. It probably took us about an hour and a half to get it done. It's a big truck, so all together we just spent 3 hours at this house. We got here about 3:43. It's probably about 7 o'clock now. There's approximately 7:07, so I probably won't get home to about 7:45, 8 o'clock, man, travel time. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in what we do up here, with Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride today in hitting that subscribe button, man. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please leave a like, comment, share. Let's just do what we got to do to help this channel continue to grow. And head home, man. Hope y'all have a great day, and I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.
YouTube. Watch TY 38.